Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, children.
Good morning.
Good morning, children.
Good morning, ma'am.
How are you all?
Ma'am, I'm fine.
I'm fine. How are you?
I am also good. Okay, tell me what and where we were in geography.
Ma'am, can we do an activity
I'm in the
today?
previous class. We were doing the soil erosion.
Okay, we were doing soil erosion. Fine.
Yes,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
can we do an activity today?
Um I have planned for an activity, but only after the chapter is over. Right?
Okay, ma'am.
So if you have any activity in your mind other than what I have planned, you can share it here with me.
Ma'am, what type of activity?
See, Manrena, she has asked for an activity. No, she said, "Ma'am, can we
Ma'am,
do an
Okay,
activity
ma'am, fun or just studying or out of the chapter or
out
out
of the
of
chapter?
the
Obviously,
syllabus?
something that will enhance your learning. No, whatever your knowledge
Ma'am,
that
let's play Atlas.
let's play Atlas. Hey, you people must you will
Yes.
do cheating. No, in Atlas.
Yes, ma'am.
Ah,
Without
मैम
closing your
एटलीस्ट
mic
में चीटिंग
and
कौन करता
without
है?
closing your camera.
exactly. That is the first condition, right?
Yes,
It's
ma'am.
fine.
Okay. Anything that you have, Manrena?
Okay, today Manrina will
Ma'am,
conduct game. Go.
ma'am, we can play a tongue twister game.
No, please, no, ma'am, please, no.
Okay. Agreed.
Ma'am, I
Agreed.
really suck at it. Ma'am,
Why?
no,
Why? Why?
please.
Why? Why? Why?
I don't like tongue twisters. Ma'am, please.
Good
Ma'am,
morning.
anything but not this game.
Okay. See what I have planned. No, I have planned something that is related to the chapter, and it is completely based on what exactly you know about that, right? So that will give you more fun because something that we know, and when we are asked our experiences about that, it gives a very good this thing, no, isn't it? Yeah, why this Kush is joining from two devices? Kush, oh, any idea? Yes, Ranshir.
No, ma'am, no idea.
Oh, look at
No, ma'am.
Ranshir. What faces he's making, huh? You're scaring me, Ranshir. To scare me or to just make me laugh, huh? Okay. Who does like this in your class?
Ma'am, Ranjit.
Other than
Ma'am, I am
Ranshir?
the only joker in the class.
Okay. We always need a joker, no? So that we can laugh our heart out, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Ah, that's really good. It
मैम
requires.
मनरीना ने मेरा नाम ही जोकर रखा हुआ है.
Oh, that's so good. See, it requires a lot of courage to call yourself a joker, isn't it?
No, ma'am.
Yes,
Ma'am,
of
I
course.
should say like this only. Hi, Joker.
No, no, hey, don't do like this. This may offend him, you know. Doing it for fun is okay.
Ma'am, and Manila had saved my name from Lambu. Means I'm very long. My height is very long.
Okay, your height
Ma'am,
is
no. Ma'am, her name is Ma'am. Manina has kept my name Joker on WhatsApp. Nandini's name Lambo on WhatsApp. I don't know Sahil and someone else too.
okay. That's good. That's good. Okay, Kush has joined us. No,
Ma'am,
still
but now I don't know why I am Joker.
no. You are not Joker, but the kind of faces you make, no, that make people think that you are a
Entertainer.
entertainer. Exactly. Let us put it like this: not Joker, but entertainer. No. Okay. How is Pavneet doing? You're
Good.
good. I'm asking, how are you doing?
Ma'am, good.
Okay. Okay. Uh, Fine. So, coming back to the boring topic of the class, that is what we were doing exactly in geography. So, soil erosion we were doing, I believe, right?
Yes,
Right.
ma'am.
Okay, okay. I will not take much of time. We'll start with the activity once we are over with this explanation part, no? Then you people will only complain that ma'am does not teaches in the class. She makes us do something or the other funny thing, and we are left with the course what to do, isn't it? Am I right?
मैम एक दो क्लासेस तो चलता है.
एक दो classes चलता है,
Yes, ma'am.
but not now. We'll do it some other time. No? Where is the problem? See, even I
When
don't
we have
believe,
done
even I also don't believe in teaching all the time. I feel that there should be some fun also involved. Otherwise, it becomes very monotonous. No, always study, study,
Yes,
study,
ma'am.
study. Where is the fun then? How to get fun? So in between,
that,
in
we
Ma'am,
don't
for
have
fun,
games
don't,
to
ma'am,
do.
you don't require anything for fun. You only require one person for fun.
that is Ranshir, right?
Yes, ma'am.
No, no, no. For me, everybody is important. All those who are in my class, they all are precious gems for me, right? Because every individual is unique in itself, no? Isn't it? Do you agree or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Everybody has a quality, something or the other, which the other person does not have. Okay? Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. We should always respect. We should always, encourage.
Ma'am,
Yes, beta.
ma'am, you should hear the song that Ranchir
I
sang
I
on.
I heard
Oh,
that
please.
on Saturday. No, Dansen, I heard that. It was really beautiful.
Thank you, ma'am.
It was really beautiful. I keep on,
Yeah.
I keep on going through the contents that you people share with other teachers. That is good. Really very good.
Ma'am, you must have seen Smriti ma'am status. That's why you caught me.
No, she shared it on the class groups as well, I believe.
Yes, ma'am, she shared.
Do we have any Mahi Singh in the class?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Can I have the cameras open of everyone? Though 2, 3 are there. Pranjal, Ahmad, Akshat, Anshuman, Kush,
Ma'am,
Raj.
I drawed a poster on Earth Day.
You drew a poster.
Ma'am, one second, ma'am, please.
uh,
Ma'am, drawed. Ma'am, you
I
really
have
drawed.
drawn. No. She said drawn.
Drawn.
I drew a poster. I made a poster. I painted. You can say there are several
Ma'am,
synonyms. No. Yes,
ma'am,
bache.
this is what Palak ma'am used to call murder of English.
What of God of English? God of
Ma'am,
English.
no, Palak ma'am used to call this murder of
Murder
English.
of
When
English.
we used to
But
say
then
I drawed a poster.
it is fine. See. This is something. English is a language that comes with practice, right? If you will not try, you will never come to learn. And the more you try, more better you become, right? Practice always makes a
Yes,
man
ma'am.
perfect. No, isn't it, Ranshir?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Mandrina.
Ma'am, but why in English literature we read the chapters?
Ma'am, I don't like.
Because see, we should know. In Hindi also we read the chapters, no? Don't we read the chapters in Hindi? Yes, Aditya wants to say something. Yes, Aditya, you want to say something?
इंग्लिश ज्यादा टाइम हिंदी में
Excuse me,
करने में
ma'am.
टाइम
Yes, बच्चे बोलो.
Ma'am, it's Niranshir. Ma'am,
Yes, yes.
ma'am,
Ranshir.
that the song that you saw of mine,
Hmm.
I've modified it a little bit.
Acha, you have modified. So, okay, fine. One day we'll
Yeah.
have a, you know.
Now it's a very small song, one minute max.
Don't divert the class, bacha. Don't divert.
Excuse me, ma'am.
See, one fine day when we are not in a mood to study at all, that day we will do all these activities, right?
Ma'am, we are not.
प्लीज ये चैप्टर
थोड़ी देर पहले यही मूड था.
हाँ, रनशेर, कोई बात नहीं. अब मूड अच्छा हो गया ना. अब we'll start with the class, right? Yes.
Okay.
Anshuman was telling where exactly I stopped the previous class. Tell Anshuman.
I was telling.
You were telling. Yes, I asked you only. Where did I stop with the previous class?
Yes, ma'am. Wait.
Tell.
मैम आई थिंक सॉइल इरोजन
It is soil erosion. No, soil erosion. Okay, fine. We'll start with soil erosion only. Okay. Before I start writing in other things, tell me, what do you know about what is erosion? Do you know?
Yes, ma'am.
Tell what is erosion.
Ma'am, the wastage of soil and the flowing of soil into the water is called soil erosion.
Okay. Okay. Any other definition for this?
Ma'am, when the soil is not strong enough to hold up and the water comes by and floods or rivers, the soil gets eroded from its place.
Exactly. Very good.
If there are no trees, there will be soil erosion.
Yes. See, when we
There
talk,
will be soil erosion.
there will be soil erosion. When we talk of soil erosion, basically we are talking about the washing off of the top layer of the soil, right? We have read in the soil profile, no, that the soil is found in layers, various layers, right? And which layer we are talking of that gets eroded away or that get washed away? We are talking about the topsoil, the organic layer that we are talking about, right? Right, class?
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm?
Ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, the
Yes, ma'am.
last lecture was with combined with C, and when we were on soil conservation.
We were on soil conservation. Soil erosion is
Yes.
clear and understood to all of you.
Soil erosion.
No, soil
Yes,
erosion
ma'am.
is clear and understood to all of you.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then it is fine. So we'll proceed on to the conservation part. So let us come to conservation. Acha, if we have written, let me just recapitulate. Can you tell how many types of soil erosion is there?
मैम टू टाइप्स ऑफ शीट इरोजन एंड गुली इरोजन
Very good.
Gully.
Sheet erosion and gully erosion. Sheet and gully erosion. Fine. Now, can Pranjali, can you explain this sheet and gully erosion to me? Are you there?
Ma'am, should I tell?
Wait, Mandrina, wait. Let her open. Is this person he or she? It is she only, no, I believe.
She.
Okay. Pranjali, are you there? Or shall I remove you from the meeting? Are you there or not? So this is the reason why you are told to open your cameras, no? Chalo, theek hai. Aditya, can you tell me what is sheet erosion?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Ranshir.
What was the question again?
My question was to Pranjali that what is meant by sheet and gully erosion?
Okay, ma'am.
Aditya is telling or not?
मैं भूल गया
Definition.
मतलब आपकी टीचर ने बिल्कुल अच्छा नहीं पढ़ाया कि आपको याद ही नहीं है. Very bad teacher. Huh?
मैम मुझे याद है.
Okay, Manrina will tell. Yes, Manrina, tell.
Ma'am, during the heavy rainfall,
Hmm.
the volume of when the volume of rainfall is very high, the topsoil is not protected, so it flows away with the water. This is called sheet erosion.
Okay, fine. Fine.
Ma'am, may I tell?
Yes, Ranshir.
Gully erosion.
Wait, Manrina.
Ma'am, sheet
Yes, Ranshir.
Ma'am, sheet erosion and gully. Ma'am, sheet erosion is when sometimes during heavy rainfall,
Hmm.
the volume of the runoff is very high.
Hmm.
If the topsoil is not protected by sufficient plant cover, there are no trees in this environment.
Hmm.
That will cause soil erosion. And gully erosion is when when rain falls heavily over an uneven terrain, the runoff scoops out the narrow and deep grooves. This
Right.
is called gully erosion.
Okay, yes, Manrina.
Ma'am, directly copied from book. Now, so I
Okay,
can
it is
also
okay.
speak the answer.
Okay, it is fine. It is fine. It is fine. See, Ranshir, you can always, whenever I ask you certain things that we have already done in the class, you need to frame your own answers. Don't read what is written in the book, right? If you,
Okay, ma'am.
fine. It's okay. It's okay. If you are telling it on your own, that means you have understood the concept very well, and you are in a position to answer on your own without copying it down from anywhere, right? Right? Right, Ranshir?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, where is this cuckoo cooking? At Manrina's place?
No, ma'am.
But beautiful sound. Aditya's house.
Ma'am, it is mine, ma'am, mine
Okay,
place.
Ranshir's. Oh wow, that is why you have got a
Ma'am,
very
I'm sitting
smart
out in
voice.
the ma'am sitting outside in my veranda.
Okay, in the veranda you are sitting. Cuckoo cooking, huh? Very good.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. So sheet and gully erosion is basically, sheet erosion is when, a large land area which is without any vegetation cover, and when the heavy rainfall falls on it, it tends to wash away the whole surface with the topsoil that it has. That is called sheet erosion. And in gully erosion, the land where the erosion that takes place because of the heavy rain on an uneven terrain, right? When the terrains are uneven, when the terrain is uneven, it tends to, the water tends to make space for itself in the lower areas, and over a period of time, because of the falling of water, continuous flow of water, it tends to form these gullies. Right? Right, class?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So this is called as gully erosion, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Very good. Now coming to the conservation. What exactly is conservation? Can anybody tell me?
Ma'am, preservation.
Preservation, okay. Okay.
Soil conservation. Ma'am, preservation of soil.
No, I am
Ma'am,
talking of
saving.
only conservation. I am asking you only conservation.
Ma'am, saving.
Manrina, your mic is muted.
Okay. When I say conservation, I am
Should I
basically.
tell?
Yes, Pandrena.
Ma'am, protecting something from any harmful things is called conservation.
Okay. Protecting something from any harmful thing is called conservation, right?
Yes.
Right? Right? Now, why?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, when we talk conservation, when we say conservation, why exactly do we need to conserve the soil? What is the reason? Soil is such a
Ma'am,
thing
may I
that- wait.
Ma'am,
Soil
may I
is
tell?
yes, Ranshir.
Ma'am, we need to conserve the soil because of if the soil is not good, or we cannot plant any crop or any type of plant in it. So if the soil is, if we do not conserve the soil, there will be no plants. No plants mean no oxygen. No plants means no food.
Exactly. But I need to get one more point. Who will give that point? Pavneet will give.
Ma'am,
Yes,
should I
Manrina.
tell?
Yes, Manrina.
Ma'am, soil will not be there, so plants will not be there, and then oxygen will not be there.
Okay. See, the main reason why we need to conserve the soil is we all know that the top soil of the land is considered to be very fertile soil, right? Right?
Yes, ma'am.
And if that fertile
Yes,
soil
yes,
is not there, it will not give any kind of production, right? Right?
Yes, ma'am.
So rest all the things that you people told, that if there will be no soil, if there will be no fertile soil, the food production will be less and no vegetation cover will be there. And if there is no vegetation cover, no oxygen will be there. And if there is no oxygen, then the life will also not sustain over there, right?
Ma'am, crop will also not grow.
Exactly, Pavneet. Crop cultivation will also not take place. Production will be very less. People will die of food crisis. There will be food crisis. People have to pay high prices for the food. That is why it is said that we should always, conserve those things which are the daily needs of a human being, right? See, when the soil is not there, vegetation is not there. When the vegetation is not there, the small microbes, the microorganisms that survive, they will also not be there. And when these will not be there, how the chemical processes will take place, how that decomposition will take place. So when something lacks, or when there is a scarcity of something, it affects each and everything that is there in the environment, or in the atmosphere, or in the biosphere, right?
yes, ma'am.
Fine. Fine.
Yes, ma'am.
Now coming to the various types of soil conservation, right? The first and the
Yes,
foremost
ma'am.
that we have is afforestation, right? Right?
Yes,
Yes.
yes,
What is this afforestation?
Ma'am, afforestation is the process of uh, uh, growing of plants.
Yes. The
uh,
afforestation. Yes. Anybody else?
Ma'am, deforestation is the
ma'am,
process of cutting down of trees.
ma'am, cutting down a less number of trees and planting more.
Beta, cutting down does not come in afforestation. Deforestation comes in cutting down the trees. See, deforestation is a process from where this afforestation has come. This term has come from deforestation. Like when we talk of deforestation, we are basically talking about the cutting down of the trees, right? Reckless cutting, baseless cutting. During the time of British, when British were here in the country, when they got to know about the rich forest, resources of the country, of our country, they went over there and they decided, because in whole of Europe, there was a severe crisis of the trees. The oak trees that was used for to make the ship, no, that was not there. The trees had the people were running short of those trees which were required to make the ships. So what the people did, what these Europeans did, the Britishers did, when they came to know about the Indian forest resources, they tried to explore maximum of it. And what they did in that, they when they went to the forest areas of the country, they realized that the trees which were there in the forest, they were not of similar species. Like any kind of tree was there, and which was it, for them it was not possible to trace out those trees which were strong, solid wood, and which could be used for the making of the ships for the naval in Europe. So what they did, they started cutting the trees, and they gave them this as the process of scientific forestry. Now, scientific forestry, what they said as per them was, they were cutting down all the different varieties of the trees, and in lieu of that, in place of that, they were planting similar kind of species of trees in the forest area, right? So that they, whenever they need, they can take out the wood that is required, right? Right?
Yes, ma'am.
So this was about deforestation. Now, because there was a reckless cutting, and moreover, wood during the time of British, the wood was also required for the laying down of the railway lines. It was the British, no, who introduced railways in the country, if you remember,
Yes, ma'am.
right? So for that also, for laying down the railway lines also, the wood was required. So there was a, you know, reckless cutting. Without thinking, these people were cutting down the trees so that they could, you know, have the wooden sleepers which could be put into the railway lines to make it strong. So because of this, over a period of time, and moreover when the population grew, when the development took place, people were cutting down the trees to have plain areas where they could go for constructions of, you know, shopping malls, construction of industries, construction of buildings, construction of offices, construction of residential areas, like this Mahanagar that we have colony, you know, before this colony was established, this area, whole area was a big jungle, you know, a lot of trees were there. Some part of that land was cultivated also, but then because of the need of the houses, the land was cleared of the forest, of the trees that were there, and ultimately this society, this colony came into being, right? So afforestation was a concept that was adopted from deforestation only. In this, a complete opposite process is done. In afforestation, several trees are grown so that whenever these trees grow, they can help the environment to become balanced, right? So that because of the afforestation, the land, the soil that is loose, that becomes loose because of the lack of vegetation, does not get washed away with the air and the water that comes in contact with the soil of that
बहुत
particular.
धीरे धीरे आ रहा है इधर.
रणशेर, क्या धीरे धीरे आ रहा है बच्चे?
No ma'am, nothing. Ma'am, मेरे मैम मैं अपना इधर इंटरनेट कनेक्शन नहीं है ना, तो
अच्छा,
मम्मी के फोन के हॉटस्पॉट.
अच्छा, ओके, फाइन फाइन फाइन. इतना एफॉरेस्टेशन समझ में आया बेटा? Afforestation is a process
Yes, ma'am.
where a process of planting trees in large quantity or in large numbers. Right, class? Afforestation clear?
Yes.
Okay. Now coming
Yes.
to the next soil conservation process method. It is to stop overgrazing. You know what is grazing?
Ma'am, when the ma'am, when the sheep's,
Cattle,
ma'am,
cattle we can say.
gra- yes,
When the cattle they graze on the land for. No, Ranshir, you are not audible. Anshuman, you were telling beta.
ma'am, when the sheep's and cattle graze over the land, ma'am, graze over the land for a very for a long period, or
Yes.
for
For
on
a long
a
period.
certain,
On a specific land.
yes, ma'am.
That land.
And
That land loses its vegetation cover, and in return,
yes,
what happens with the flow of water and with the blow of the wind, the soil tends to move or
blow
get
away.
washed away, right? So we should stop the overgrazing of the land. Instead, land should only be open for grazing for a lesser duration of time, and after that we should allow the land to regain the natural vegetation, and then after some time it should be again opened for the grazing part, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. I hope no further explanation is required for it. Right, class?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay. Now, coming to the next conservation method. What is it?
Terrace farming.
Terrace farming.
Hanji. It is terrace farming. What is terrace farming? Do you know?
Ma'am, when the farmers cultivate Ma'am, when the farmers grow
Ma'am,
crops
farming on
at the
terrace.
slopes of-
हाँ जी पवनीत
at
क्या
the
कह रहे हैं? वेट अंशुमन, पवनीत क्या कह रहे हो बेटा?
Ma'am, farming on terrace, ma'am, ma'am, sales farming.
Okay, farming on the hills or in the mountain areas. See, आपने देखा होगा, see, these are the mountains, right? These are the slopes. Now, what happens? The slopes are cut. They are cut like this, right? On the slopes, the
Ma'am, वो
terraces.
terrace बन जाती है.
हाँ जी, टेरेसेस बनाए जाते हैं, एक स्टेयर्स की तरह एक स्ट्रक्चर बन जाता है, एंड दीज स्टेयर्स दे स्टॉप द फ्लो ऑफ द दे पुट अ स्टॉप to the speed of the water at which they are flowing, and in return it stops the soil from eroding, right? See, the water is coming with a high speed, then because of this barrier that they have, the terraces, it stops, then slowly it moves, then comes down again. There is a barrier over here in the form of terraces, so again the pace, the speed of the water slows down, and slowly it moves to the other part, again a barrier, again the speed slows down, and this is how, when the terraces are made on the hill slopes, it does not allow easy flow of the soil by the running of water. I hope it is clear to all of you.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am.
Terrace
Yes,
farming, beta, terrace farming is basically practiced in the hilly areas, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine,
Yes, ma'am.
fine. Give me just a minute. By that time, can Manrena read the soil erosion and the soil conservation till terrace farming?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Manrena.
Ma'am, actually, I am out having my book.
Ranshir, do you have the book? Yes. Ranshir. Can Aditya read? Aditya, can you read?
Yes, ma'am. What?
Beta, this soil conservation up till terrace farming.
Okay, ma'am. Now I have to read terrace farming.
No, soil conservation, the beginning of the topic.
Ma'am, can I read Paspara? Of soil, the protection of soil from the harmful effects of erosion is called soil conservation. The method used for conservation of soil are chosen according to the local environment. These are some of them. Afforestation is the most effective method to conserve soil. Reckless cutting down of trees should be stopped, and more trees, shrubs, and grasses should be planted in dry areas where wind erosion is common. Rows of trees and shrubs should be planted to check the velocity of the wind. These are called shelter belts. Overgrazing by cattle, sheep, and goats should be controlled as the land becomes exposed to the rain and wind. Fodder should also be grown as a crop. Terrace farming is very effective in conserving soil in mountains regions. The hill slopes are cut so that the speed at which rainwater flows down is reduced. Crops are grown on these terraces.
Very good. Thank you so much, beta. Thank you so much. Fine. So up till here, I think it is all clear and understood to all of you.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now coming to the contour plowing. The next method is contour plowing. What is this contour plowing? Do you know? Again, this contour flowing is quite common in the hilly areas. In this contour flowing, the edges which are there, they are plowed of the slopes, right? Right, class?
Yes, ma'am.
And it is done so that there is less wastage of soil. There is less wastage of soil, right, class?
Yes, ma'am.
Now what happens generally when we plow the land, we go like this, no, up and down, right? In this contour plowing, this up and down process is not undertaken. Why it is not undertaken? Because if this up and down plowing takes place, it will make all the soil particles very loose on the slopes, and when the water will come, it will wash away the top soil of the land, right? That is why the contour plowing is done, which is not the upside, only the edges, the contours, the raised areas of the hill slopes are plowed, right? Right, class?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Now coming to the next method, that is strip cropping. Strip cropping. Now, you must have observed that in, some of the land areas, maybe in your neighborhood or you must have observed while coming to school, you must have seen that a row of, one particular crop used to be there, and the other side also some crops were cultivated, right? So this strip cultivation basically, ensures complete intact of the soil that is over the land. See, in this way the cultivation is done,
Ma'am.
right? Yes, beta. Right, this way cultivation is done in the form of strips, and it does not allow easy washing of
मैम
the soil.
कल्टीवेशन मैम एक ही रो में होता है ना मैम?
हाँ जी, एक रो में होता है पवनीत बेटा, रोज में करते हैं ये, जिससे कि साइमल्टेनियसली अलग अलग क्रॉप्स लगाई जाती हैं, जिससे कि लैंड की जो सॉइल है वो कंप्लीटली इंटैक्ट हो जाए बाय द रूट्स, एंड अगर पानी उस पर डाला जाए तो वो पानी उसको बहा के ना लेके जाए, दैट द सॉइल डज नॉट रन वॉश गेट्स वॉश्ड अवे with the flow of the water, right? This strip cropping is clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Now coming to the next, that is crop rotation. See, crop rotation is a process. To conserve the soil, we need to ensure that the land is not left without any crop or without any vegetation. So what is done, in crop rotation, simultaneously different types of crops are grown so that the natural fertility of the soil remains within the land or within the soil, right? When we are rotating the crops, like one in a year, for 3 months a different kind of crop is grown, for 3 months other kind of crop is grown, like leguminous crops or the regular crops that are there. So in that case, when this rotation takes place, it does not allow the natural fertility of the soil to go away. And moreover, when crop rotation is practiced, in crop rotation, the land is able to retain, the crop is able to use all the nutrients that are available in the soil, right? Right,
Yes,
class?
ma'am.
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Fine.
Yes,
Fine.
ma'am.
Fine. Okay. So then coming to the next type, that is bunding of rivers.